If you want to check your sleep data from the Google Pixel Watch 3, then all you have to do is just to go to your smartphone and open the Fitbit application. And when you do this, you will have to search for the sleep data. So you can just scroll down right here, and once you actually find the sleep data, you can just click here and you can check this for 1 day, week, month, for example, the duration, the score of your sleep, schedule. As you can see, this week I was sleeping for 7 hours and 35 minutes. I mean, that was yesterday actually, not for the whole week. And yeah, I can actually check this, get some data. I mean, when I click here, let's do this one more time. When I click here on the yesterday, I can check the sleep stages, like when I fall asleep, when I wake up, the sleep stages like deep, light, REM, the estimated oxygen variation, and right here I've got some kind of the benchmark. And some other things like information about the sleep timeline. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.